See, this must be the boy gingerbread, because he's bald. And then we have the girl gingerbread. She's got hair.
Sticky.
Yeah, it is sticky. You want to put your balls on the gingerbread?
Yes.
All right, go for it.
So. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's tasty.
Tasty.
Hey.
Yes, you're doing such a good job.
What?
See how she answers herself more? Okay. What's her favorite part of CAKE?
E. Tasty. 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 Tasty.
You want a piece?
Yeah. Okay.
Here's another orange ball in.
Like this. Type. Oh, purple.
Purple.
Blue.
We got a few more balls, Abby. Do you want the rest of them?
Oh.
Hmm?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Oh, balls.
Put them on the gingerbread.
Okay. Hope it.
Let me help you. Oh, bless you, bless you,
Whoa.
bless you.
Food. Red. OP. OP.
No, there's no more in there. That's it. We used it on the gingerbread.
Yeah, see?
Here, you want to do some more of these?
Play. Ooh, big.
Hmm.
So. Sorry.
Hmm?
So. Sorry. Two.
Two.
Peace.
You want a piece?
Yes. Two. Right there.
Yes,
Tasty.
Tasty.